Okay, so we're given all these facts up here, and the goal is to find the value of this expression. So here inside, we have a composition of functions, and we want to find the derivative. So what we can do is we will take the derivative of the outer layer first. So that'll be g prime, and then the inner function is still kept and preserved. But what we then do is we then multiply this here by the derivative of the inner function, which would be called f prime of x. This is what we call the chain rule, right? Now we want all of this to happen when x equals 1. So let's write this again with x equaling 1. So this becomes g prime of, well, how much is f of 1? F of 1 is given to be 1 times, and then what's f prime of 1? F prime of 1 is 5. And now how much is g prime of 1? Well, that's going to be 4. So you see how this plays out? So we have 5 times 4. And so our answer is just going to be this much right here. And the number 20 plays out in a similar fashion. So we take the derivative of the outer layer first. That would be g prime. The inside is kept the same. And then we multiply by the derivative of the inner function, which again happens to be g. It's a self-composition that can happen. So this is our definition here. And now we plug in 1 in for all the x's. And let's see, the inside is g of 1, which is 3. So this becomes g prime of 3 times g prime of 1 is 4. And so we have a 6 times 4. And so we get this right here.